Narberth Carnival has been going on for a really long time. I feel like this year has really upped the numbers again, and hopefully that will really inspire people to get involved. The reason that the Cheerful Project wanted to get involved in Narberth Carnival is we wanted to work with all sorts of people making something special to carry in the procession. So we wanted to make lots of little things so that people would have an opportunity to all join in. And I think we achieved that. I think it's worked really well.
In the lead-up, what people haven't seen is the lead-up. Our Cheerful Project team have been running all these workshops and with all different groups.
The Cheerful Project is a 3-year community arts project. The aims and objectives of the project are to use the arts and social opportunities to bring people together and reduce rural isolation and loneliness.
We did a Rope School Kids Club making of the birds, which was good. We had about 7 or 8 children who wanted to do it. There were a few more that helped out with it. It got quite messy, but it was good fun.
We don't belong to any clubs in Narberth because we live just outside, so we wouldn't really have had a reason to have taken part in the carnival. Whereas coming along doing the masks and the fish, it means that we're able to come and join in, and it's really nice for these two that they can be part of it.
I made the bird first with Mummy. She told us how to do the instructions, and wrapped this round, and then we painted it, and then we let the paint dry, and then we put the glitter on. We're going to do the carnival around Arberth today.
And one of the things we've been doing is making our own bird puppets for this carnival today.
The musician's going to arrive at 12:30. We've got a bagpiper who's going to be at the head of the procession with Rhiannon and her horse. Unfortunately, I don't know if you all know this, but the real horse that we have fell through. But we actually have got amazing horse head mask that one of our volunteers is going to wear, and she's going to be Rhiannon's naughty horse. Rhiannon, Princess of Narberth from the Mabinogion. All of the creatures that you can see are creatures that are found in the Mabinogion, and Rhiannon was a princess who was famous because she had birds that followed her everywhere.
Waiting for the judging to take place, but I believe we have to see some cheerleading first.
You ready? Yeah. A trophy. Go on, yeah, go on. Well done. Good. That's Mabinogion. That's my lads.
The fish is going to get brought in.
procession this year as far as I was concerned. Thank you very much.
We really want to inspire people to get involved and make their own thing. You know, doesn't have to be with one of our workshops, but make their own thing and enter in next year's procession. And we've also decided that we're definitely going to be doing some things for next year. We're going to come up with some other workshops to help people get involved.